Hello everyone, it's Carolyn. I hope you had a lovely weekend. I have come to share, I was trying to come up with something for my subscribers on my Ko-Fi shop. I haven't done anything exactly special for them, and I also wanted to come up with something as a gift to share for the design team, for Rosa, Vanessa, Lori, Laura, Bobby, all those who contribute and help my Etsy shop. And I so appreciate you all so much. So anyway, I've come up with this. I will have it as a freebie on the Facebook group, but only for a week, because there are those on the group who I know would love it. And this is what it is. It's the gingerbread again. And this is it. And I'm going to show you quickly how it is put together. And it does have one signature. And it has a pocket over here. And of course you can put pockets in the signature. I have just done a few. I'm not going to show you. You know, I'll let your creativity decorate. But this is what it is. Okay, and so first of all, this will be your booklet cover. It looks like this. Sorry, I've got all these here to try to stop the glare from the light. And you will print. There's a mini booklet cover backing. Then you just cut it out. And then what we do, after you score, you should see all the score lines. I've already scored and I've already inked, so I can make the video as quick as possible. And then the next thing you do is you just place glue here, like it says, and you will fold that up and glue that, and place glue over here and fold that up. Okay, and then to reinforce not only, you know, the use of the booklet, but also your pocket, you will place glue here. And glue that down. And then again on the other side. And then the top. Oops. And then fold those down and press well to make sure that it sticks. Okay, and then there is your booklet. And then for the front, this part, this element here, these are all on one page, and I printed the neutral backing. There's only two backings. One is for this, and the rest is for your tags in this element here. So what we do here is, this is your base, or I think I've named it matte in the kit. And then all I do, because I want to create a pocket, is I'm just going to put glue on three sides. And then glue. I gotta get it straight. Let me try again. Let's do it this way, where I can see the whole thing. Glue that on there. I'm sorry, you guys. I just did that wrong. Let's do that again. First of all, you need to glue your pockets. Line it up to the bottom, and then fold it over. I just moved it, sorry. This is not a mini, so my hands can handle it better, but it's close enough to a mini where sometimes it's challenging for my fingers to do what my brain tells it to. Okay, and then do the other side. Make sure it's lined up. Then glue, and I see that's not quite lined up. Okay, now place glue on 3 sides. And here, again, let me say, I put a tie on mine for closure. So you could do that again. Let me see if I can get my... And I just put it somewhere in there. And then I had, this is paper tape. And so I just cut me a piece of paper tape and glued or taped it to the back. Oops, sorry, getting out of frame. And place glue here too. I need to go ahead and put a little more just to make sure. Then glue for your pocket. And then there's little pockets to go on here. This side. I hope I'm staying in frame. Here. And here. Okay, and then, again, only on 3 sides. And then I put it on the front of the booklet. And I put it kind of low and center it just so that a tag will be able to go in there. And then, of course, you can tie it. And I have these little tags that go here and here, and then you can decorate. And then you can sew in your signature. I have sewn it in here. I just hope you guys love it, especially you who love gingies. I pray you have a blessed week. God bless. Thank you all again so very much. Bye-bye.